Hello, beautiful. It's Mally Roncal from Mally Beauty here with David's Bridal, and I'm so excited to show you this modern and monochrome fantastic look. We're gonna do her makeup, but can we just get a moment with this dress, honey? This is what we're talking about when we're talking sophisticated, sleek, gorgeous, this beautiful square neckline that I am obsessed with, and this fantastic, beautiful veil embellished with very, very sweet little accents. This is where the monochromatic look works perfectly. Okay, so first and foremost, let's start with my Bulletproof bronzer. So you really wanna make sure that you look glowy and healthy and fresh and young for your beautiful wedding day. You really wanna make sure that you just go in and you go nice and soft. So you're gonna go around the perimeter of the forehead just like so, and then you can come down the temple, the hollows of the cheeks, and then of course do the jawline. And that's gonna give you a very, very fresh kind of sculpted look as well, which, let's be honest, is a great thing for those photos, honey. So you wanna take it, and then don't forget to blend down a little bit on the neck. It's of course gonna stay all night and look beautiful and fresh for you. Okay, now let's talk about your eyes. So I'm gonna use one of my shadow sticks. This is Foxy, which is a beautiful sort of coppery brown, which again really lends itself to this beautiful modern look. Just go all over the lid from your lash line to your crease. You want it to be super simple. It doesn't have to be complicated. Again, remember this is very sleek and chic. Blending with your fingers so you don't have to worry even about any brushes. And look how that really just makes her eye pop. I am obsessed with this look. And then last but not least, let's do some intense color lip gloss in the shade You Got This, which is a beautiful, delicious brown, which is really gonna just tie this whole look together. And what I want you to do is obviously take it and put it all over your lips. But if you really wanna add that extra little oomph, I want you to make sure that you take the gloss and go all the way to the edge of the lip. That's gonna catch the light, especially on all of those beautiful pictures, guys, and make sure that your lips look full and juicy and gorgeous. So look at this. You look so beautiful. This is the modern and monochrome makeup look with David's Bridal.